Welcome to Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School Sarsa. Myself Chauhan Digvijay. Today in this video I would like to teach the students of standard 4th. My subject is English, unit number 1, the world around us, part 2. Topics covered: hard or new words, word meaning, explanation. In my previous video we learned about different effects of pollutions on the world. Okay friends, here I have taken some new words: environmental, awareness, environmentalism, to emphasize, combination, reduction, preserve, globe movement. I would like to give you some word meanings. First word, environmental. So environmental means relating to the natural world and the impact of human activity on its condition. Awareness. Awareness means knowledge or perception of a situation. So you have to knowledge of or perception of a perfect situation or fact. Environmentalism, it means concern about an action aimed at protecting the environment. Okay friends. Emphasize means to give special importance or value to something. Okay. uh, combination means joining or merging of different parts, okay, or qualities in which the component elements are individually distinct. Reduction, a thing that is made smaller or less in size or amount, it is called reduction. Preserve means maintain in its original. Globe means the earth. Now I will read this lesson, so listen to me carefully. The world around us, the fading glory of the earth. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. It was one of the first attempts to make people aware of the Earth's depleting environmental resources and increasing pollution level. So, when do we celebrate the Earth Day? The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. So it was one of the first attempt to make people aware of Earth's depleting environmental resources and increasing pollution level. It was first attempt to take care about different kind of pollution levels. The celebration of Earth Day in 1992 was made memorable by an international conference held in Brazil. So it was made memorable by an international conference. It was held in Brazil. Which country? Brazil. The leaders of many countries attended this event, and it led to a new movement to preserve the earth's resources in both big and small ways. So some ways are taken, some steps are taken to preserve the earth's resources. Okay friends. People across the world take up a number of activities like tree plantation, awareness camps, on environment related topics, pollution reduction camps, and many more. So, people across the world take up a number of activities. People uh, do number of activities on that day to save our environment. So we can say that the World Earth Day is a time for people around the globe to support the environmental protection movement. So we can say that the World Earth Day is a time for people around the globe, means people of all the countries, to support the environmental protection movement. Okay, now friends, here I have given you one activities. So observe, you will have to observe the following table and tick the desirable options. Okay, so also mention how you would contribute to better earth, better we movement. Okay, better earth than better we. So save water, yes or no? So save water, yes friends. Okay, if yes, what will you do to save water? Yes. So as we know, water is very essential for our life. Water is very essential for our life. We cannot imagine our world without water. Can we imagine? No friends. So what will you do to save water? So instead of shower, use buckets, because it saves a lot of water. We should use buckets instead of shower. Okay friends. Second step, don't let the tap running while washing face your hands. We have a habit. Okay friends, so we must improve our habits. Okay, now save trees, yes or no? Yes. If yes, what will you do to save trees? So planting more trees will also add to the earth natural beauty. Trees prevent soil erosion. Okay, the only way we can defend global warming and environmental pollution is by saving and planting trees. Third one, save animals and birds. Yes or no? So friends, save animals, birds, yes. So which step we can take to our save animals or birds? So we should behave very polite way to animals and birds. We must not kill them. Okay friends. Now next, did you know, आप ये जानते थे? So environmentalism is a very important political and social movement. Its goal is to protect nature by emphasizing the role of nature in protection of the environment in combination with various actions and policies oriented to nature preservation. It is a movement that works toward maintaining a balanced environment. So friends, environmentalism is a very important to protect our environment. Now friends, this is a group work activity you will have to do at home. Observe the following pictures and relate the sentences to the pictures respectively. Justify your selection of the sentence and its relation to the picture in group. So, first sentence here, save water, save life. Second, don't litter, it will make your life bitter. Nurture nature. Plant a tree so that the next generation can get air freely. Okay, friends? So, you will discuss these pictures with your friends and write some sentences. Now, friends, questions, answers. Okay? So, I have read this lesson. Now, you can easily give answers of these questions. Okay, friends? So, my first question, when do we celebrate the Earth Day? So, when do we celebrate the Earth Day? The answer is very simple and easy one. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. Okay? When do we celebrate the Earth Day? The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. Second question. In which year the Earth Day was celebrated first time and where? You will have to give the name of the country. So, friends, my answer is the Earth Day was celebrated first time in 1992. In which country? Brazil. Okay, friends? Which activities people do on this day? So, which activities people do on this day? People across the world take up a number of activities like tree plantation, awareness camps on environment related topics, pollutions reduction camps, and many more. We can do many activities on the Earth Day. Now, friends, what is the intention behind celebrating the Earth Day? What is the intention behind celebrating the Earth Day? So, why do we celebrate these kinds of days? So, answer is the Earth Day is a time for people around the globe to support the environmental protection movement. So, the Earth Day is a time for people around the globe. It is time for the people all over the world to support the environmental protection movement. It is one kind of social movement. So, we have to take care of this environmental pollutions. We have different kind of pollutions like air pollutions, water pollution, land pollutions. We have to be worry about for our next generation, friends. Dear friends, now I think you have understood this lesson up to this point. So, you will have to write all these activities, question answer activities and the group work in your notebook. I will check it whenever we will meet. If you have any doubt, any question about the hard words, word meaning, you can ask me. You can message me, you can ask me questions. Okay, friends? Now, uh, whenever we will meet in next video, I will continue this lesson, and I think in that lesson I will finish this chapter. So you will have to remember all these question answers. You will write at home and read at home. Okay, friends? So I would like to conclude my lesson once again. If you have any kind of question, any doubt related to this lesson, you can ask me questions. Okay?